Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I draw something different every single day. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Car Mouth Kirby. So this is Kirby from the new game Kirby and the Forgotten Land. And when he sucks in the car, and I just think it's super cute. So let's draw that today. I'm going to start with a line like this coming up, and I'm curving in a little bit, and then I'm coming up again, and then over this way. So this part here is like the roof of the car. And now I'm slanting downwards this way. And I'm going to stop right there. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little shape like this right here. So this is where the side mirrors would be on the car, over here as well. But it's super cute because it kind of also looks like little Kirby hands. So is it like side mirrors or is it Kirby hands? Super cute. Okay, so now over here we're going to draw a line like that, and about like right here I'm going to start to turn our little line and connect it to right there. So it's like coming straight over this way, and then it starts to take a turn that way. All right, so right here, I'm gonna do 2 ovals. 1, 2, and I'm gonna put a circle in those ovals, and then a funny little shape here, like another kind of little circle here on the bottom. And on the inside of that, we can color it in dark. These are Kirby's eyes. And then I'm gonna do a oval there, a sideways one, and over here. And these are like his little blushy cheeks. Now let's do the rest of the car. So I'm gonna come down a little bit right there and right here. And then I'm gonna do a line like that. And it's going to be a rectangle. And now I'm going to do another line. This is going to be like the very last part of the car here, the very bottom part. And I'm coming up. And I'm going to give it a little bit of space and come down right there. And then go a little further and come up again, and then come down a little bit and then go back up. Okay, so right here I'm going to make a little kind of a rectangle, but right here we got a little bit of a curve, and I'm going to do another one right here, same shape. And right here we're going to do another rectangle, and same right here. Okay, and then we're going to do a line coming across here and another line, and then I'm going to do a half circle right here, so it's, and over right here too. So it's kind of like this is where the headlights would be on the car, but they're kind of being partly covered up by Kirby. Now let's do the car wheels. So I'm going to curve down and come on up. So we got an oval right here, and then right here we're coming down in a little curve, and then straightening up right here. So we got a wheel. I'm going to do another oval here inside that oval. And then another oval inside that one. And I can do a little line like that. And kind of do like little V's. Just kind of like a little pattern on the tire. You don't have to do that though. It's just a little something extra to add a little bit of detail. I'm going to curve down right here for our other tire. Draw up. And then finish our tire there. And I'm going to do that same pattern we did over here with the line and the little V's. And over here we need another tire. So we're going to do an oval. And then another oval inside it. And then another one inside that. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line right here and draw a little line there. Put another little line with our other little V shapes. And we are done our drawing. So now I'm going to take a black Sharpie marker and I'm going to outline it. I'm going to color it, and I'll probably add a little bit of background color too. All right, folks, so we are finished our doodle for the day. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I hope you had a great day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.